Iran just launched 2,500 weapons at Israel in 8 days, the largest attack in modern history. And Israel almost ran out of interceptors. This is the inside story of how it happened.
Incoming threat detected. Launch sequence initiated.
Firing Interceptor 1 and 2.
We are still overwhelmed. Maintain fire.
"500 ballistic missiles, 2,000 drones, fired over 8 straight days, never seen before."
We have confirmation on all tracks.
How many are there?
It's impossible. The screen is covered.
Israeli radar saw this. Hundreds of tracks. Their systems had never been tested like this.
Wave 1, drones. Hundreds of Shaheds. Their job was simple: exhaust Iron Dome.
Status update. The eastern trajectory is accelerating. We have confirmation on inbound threats. Scramble the defenses.
Wave 3, Khorramshahr 4, 1-ton warhead, Mach 12. This was the kill shot.
Israel was running out. Arrow, David Sling, Iron Dome, Bukayages, all critically low.
אנחנו מאבדים שליטה, תנו לי סטטוס.
מיירתי בדרך, אבל יש פער בהבטחה.
כל הכוחות, יכולנו להתקפה מיידית.
By day 6, some Iron Dome batteries went silent. No missiles left. Nothing to fire.
This is Khorramshahr 4, 2,000-kilometer range, Mach 12, a 1-ton warhead, and it got through.
Echo 1 to command, we have multiple casualties. Send all available units now.
After the defenses were drained, the heavy missiles hit. Multiple targets. Confirmed.
This is a tragic day for Israel. We are confirming 11 killed and hundreds injured in the recent fighting. We will provide updates as they become available.
Hit the north tank now.
We need more foam on the east side.
I need EOD on this fragment now.
We're still showing a live threat signature.
Move!
This wasn't just Israel. UAE, Qatar, Saudi, Oman, all hit. This is a regional war. We are confirming the spike to 150. This is the biggest jump in history. How can you cut the line like that?
We've been here for hours. This is unacceptable.
They said no fuel until tomorrow.
This is what it looks like. Gas stations empty, prices skyrocketing. The world is feeling this.
The current rate of expenditure is simply unsustainable in the long term.
General, what is the administration's plan to address this gap?
Standing here at the Pentagon, the mood is certainly tense as we await the Secretary's announcement regarding the ongoing situation. And
This is the critical juncture. We move forces here by midnight.
Confirmed. The satellite data supports this approach.
We are ready. Proceed as planned.
Iran's strategy is working. They've drained our stockpiles, and they're planning the next move.
This is no longer a regional conflict. This is global, and everyone is watching what happens next.
this resolution is unacceptable. We cannot support these measures.
Your inaction threatens the entire region. We demand a ceasefire.
The UN can't stop this. Diplomacy failed. Now it's just military math and who runs out first.
Iran spends $150K per missile. We spend $4M per interceptor. This math doesn't work for us.
We announce to the world that victory belongs to us. This is a historic day for Iran.
Iran is already claiming victory. They proved their doctrine works. And they're not done yet.
The ground invasion is inevitable. We must secure the northern front.
But the humanitarian cost would be catastrophic.
Will Iran push further? Will Israel retaliate? Will the U.S. get dragged into a full war? America is sending more carriers. But carriers can't stop hypersonic missiles.
The old Middle East is gone. Iran proved they can overwhelm any defense. The question is, what comes next?